What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Today's video, man, we're kind of going to be talking about a lot of different things, man. It's a lot going on. A lot of people have been hitting me up, asking me about when I'm going to get a Hellcat. What's up with the channel? You guys notice I've been dropping a lot of shorts, and the shorts have been doing pretty good. I appreciate y'all watching the shorts and hitting the like button. It helps the channel to grow. But as far as me getting a Hellcat, I already talked about this in my last video, but man, basically I'm just waiting, man. I'm just taking my time. 2022 Hellcats are coming in. People starting to get them, but as you all probably already know, it's no big difference. So it's like, why rush out and buy the same car? You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking, man, you guys leave your comments. Let me know what y'all think. I'm thinking in 23, maybe Dodge gonna do something different. You know what I'm saying? Maybe with the interior, some new colors, something's has to change, because I'm like, if 23 is going to be the last year they make the Hellcat, why run out and buy a 22 when I can have the last year model of 23, and hopefully they change something about it. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with buying a 2020, 21, or 22, but me personally, I'm just waiting, pumping my brakes. If 23 is the last year they're going to make the Hellcat, I might as well just wait. I might as well wait and get the last year model, the 23. Will I be looking at the EV muscle? Absolutely. That's why I want to lease my Hellcat whenever I do decide to get it. Now, on top of that, another thing I've been noticing, a lot of people have been getting the letters for updating their security. I got the same letter. Obviously, I don't have my scat pack no more, so I don't have no need for it. But a lot of people aren't getting it because they're saying that if you say you lose your key, or if somebody actually steals the car, you got to get a whole new key made, and it costs about $400 or $500. That's crazy. So I'm not surprised that a lot of people aren't getting the security update, because on top of that, they still stealing the car. All they got to do really is put it on the flatbed or carjack you. So yeah, it's better than nothing, but I understand why certain people decide not to get it. Another reason why I'm not rushing out to buy a Hellcat, I know y'all seen the prices of these cars lately. Even the red eyes are like 103. Some people paying 125. I saw on Instagram where a guy paid 125 for a red eye, and there's no way in the world I'm gonna pay that much for a wide body Hellcat. 125,000. There's no way I'm paying that. You can always order you a Hellcat and probably pay sticker for it, but right now these cars are just way too expensive, and it's no rush. So that's why I haven't ran out here and hurried up and bought me a Hellcat. Leave your comments, man. What do y'all think about the prices? Now, I know some of y'all already got Hellcats, and you probably got them during the time when the prices were normal, and you might want to upgrade. But I know the way the prices are right now, there's no way I would get rid of my car and try to buy a new one right now. You'll be throwing away money. And like I said before, it's no big difference. You can go out here and get, even if you try to get a late model Hellcat, 2015, 2016, they charging ridiculous prices for that. So it's like the whole Hellcat thing is just on hold right now. It's on pause. There's other cars you can buy, but me personally, I want a Hellcat, even though Hellcat content on YouTube is slowing down, but I want a Hellcat. That's just a car I always wanted. So I'm going to be getting me a Hellcat, regardless of people saying that nobody's really interested in those anymore. I understand, because pretty much all the mods have been done. If you type in muffler delete, cold air intake, probably 1,000 videos will come up if you type that in. But I don't care, because that's the car I want. I got a coworker who has a F8 green red eye. I see that car every day, and I just get excited every time I see it. So I'm still gonna get me a Hellcat. I don't care what nobody say. Another thing, and this is kind of on a whole different subject. If you're gonna buy a Hellcat, even a scat pack right now, you gotta have the right setup. If you don't have a garage, security system on it, you don't need to buy a Hellcat. I've been watching YouTube. There's a guy on YouTube. He just ordered a Hellcat, and he was gonna trade in his scat pack, and they just stole his scat pack before he can even trade it in for the Hellcat. So it's like, bro, they still stealing these cars. They in high demand. So it's like, if you don't have a garage to park this car in, you don't have somewhere where you can lock it up, you just wasting your time. A lot of you young guys, I know y'all want Hellcats, you want scat packs, I get it. But trust me, you gotta have some way to keep these cars. You know what I'm saying? You cannot park these cars outside. You can get away with it for a little while, but trust me, they are gonna come get it. Now, another thing I've been looking at is possibly buying a Jeep. They just dropped the new Cherokees, the small ones, not the L's. I guess the ones with the third rows, they just dropped the regular ones. And they look pretty slick. The whole inside is different. I'm hoping that's just a sign that Dodge is gonna do something different with the Chargers for 23. I think that's still out there. Nobody really knows, but I'm hoping that is the case. So I'm definitely gonna be going to check out those new Jeeps. And I heard it come with the 5.7, which is a good thing because I still want a Hemi, even if I get away from the Charger, which I doubt. But if I do decide to buy a Jeep or something like that, it gotta have a Hemi in it. So again, guys, I just wanted to update y'all on what's going on. I'm still in the market to buy me a Hellcat. I'm just waiting for these prices to come down. They may never come down. I might just have to go and order me one, but it's really not completely about the price. It's about seeing what's next. Dodge still haven't revealed what's next. Still several garages that hasn't been open. So I'm just waiting to see what they got in store for us. Leave your comments, man. What do y'all think? How y'all feel about still owning a Hellcat? Do you think it's still worth it? Because they keep stealing them, people still getting carjacked. Which happens with any kind of car. I mean, it's just because it's a Hellcat. Just because we focus mainly on Dodge, that's why it seems like those are the only cars that's been stolen, only cars people want. That's not true. All cars get stolen. That's just what it is. People steal cars to commit crimes. That's just what it is. Chargers are faster, so a lot of times they choose to steal a Dodge if they can. But anyway, leave your comments, guys. I just want to check in with y'all. Everything is cool. Another thing I wanted you guys to help me out with is I'm thinking about changing the name of the channel, only because I don't want to just focus on just Dodge. And I say that to say this. Dodge had this challenge where you can enter and possibly win a Charger. Some of the influencers that they had on the list of people to select were none of the guys that I can relate to. There were a lot of people that don't even mention a Dodge in their videos or on their social media platform. And I just feel like that's a slap in the face. You know, you got CJ on 32, Mod Fame, RT Life, Hemi Life 44, myself, all the Dodge Hemi guys. They didn't mention any of us. Tall Guy Car Reviews, none of us. You know what I'm saying? So it just was real strange to me that they just kind of just completely looked over us. Now I understand they want people with a super large following, so I kind of get it. But at the same time, just let you know that there's people out here actually dying over these cars. They're carjacking people over these cars. You know, all kinds of craziness over these cars. And the manufacturer and Dodge don't care one bit about us. You know what I'm saying? They just want us to buy their cars, and that's it. So that's just something to think about, guys. I'm not saying anything about Dodge. I'm just going by what I see. I don't see them ever recognizing any of the YouTubers that, like us, you know, regular guys that represent the brand, that, you know, made channels, or, you know, about the brand. I don't see them doing anything to acknowledge us. So that's why I say, man, you know what? I think I'm gonna change my name. Make it a more general, so it's more so just about cars in general, not just one brand, because Dodge is not giving me a penny. I know he may have reached out to some other YouTubers, but they're not giving me a dime. So why should I always completely just scream and holler about their brand all the time? But I mean, I'm a small child. I'm not expecting them to come knock on my door and say, here go a Hellcat. I'm not expecting that. I'm just saying. It's just something to think about, especially some of the younger guys that's out here doing crazy stuff to get these cars, putting yourself in financial debt. Don't do it, because they can care less. If this is your first time on my channel, you made it this far through the video, hit the like button, man. It really helps the channel. I'm going to be dropping more videos, more frequent, more vlog style videos. Like I said, I'm going to be going to the dealerships. We had a lot of snow lately, so I haven't been able to get out and about and test drive any cars. So I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff like that on the channel. So hit the like button. I appreciate everybody who's still rocking with me, even though I don't have a car. Some people saying, oh, his channel's over because you don't have a Hemi and this and that. My true supporters gonna keep rocking with me. Y'all know at some point I'm gonna bring another Hemi to the channel. So hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, and I see y'all on the next one. Peace.